skin out them pussy gay.
Yeah, for real, man, for real. But we don't really
Yes,
like
Mama
it.
Bling.
Well, we are woman who feel
One diamond Bling. Ungo you no more can help them a case ya. This a case ungo you no more can help it, Mama Bling. Do take time with beat her first, but help her. She need beaten, but help her.
Man, tell
She have a lot of followers. She have one still.
Make she go on. This will help Billar. This will help Billar.
Yes.
Because guess what?
Yes.
This what me I do, it a Billar too. So make she still.
Yes, Mama Bling. Same way.
It a bling her, Miss Bling. It a bill her at the same time. You have to understand. So she pregnant.
Me no
She
like
pregnant. You understand?
Me no fi stop it. Cause I go get all one day. Cause me no blood clots all. Stop it.
Yeah, as a
One Bling.
Stop it. Cause if me all them all.
Me not depend no side, but the fact that she call your mom, you should just bypass that.
And
she
that
pregnant.
me not bypass a blood clot. Cause last night me da work and me get the message that she said she not go on a whole foot live. Our blood clot, big pussy, dirty fuck out, done out, deep throat.
Yes, I was on the live. I was on your live. I was on her live at the same time. But at the same time, you have to understand that she young and she pregnant. Everybody
Take time
make
with her.
mistake.
Take time with her.
Everybody make mistake.
She a go through her face. She a go through her face, Miss Bling. Take time with her. It confused. It mix up.
And as a mother, I'm sure you have daughter. And as a mother, take time with her.
Don't come for the media with no stress, with your stress self, keep a pregnancy.
Uno not understand. Uno not understand. Uno come off of my live and go on pan phone live or go on pan unique live. I do not watch views. I fucking don't. Worse when I'm upset. Views don't help me. I come out here and I say support Live Gold, Cash App, Zelle, PayPal. Listen to me. I am beating Abel left, right, and center. I am going to beat Abel left, right, and center. But this little girl, she's rude. And I don't like it. You understand? But in the same sentence, if she come back to me for help me, I go help her. But guess what? Everybody forgets all one day. Everybody forgets all one day. If you don't like what me, just come off from my blood clots life. Because guess what? Number one on the door support. I think it's hard for top. I don't care if it's not one gift. Even some other have it and dose on it. So one of there suffer. I don't pay on your own phone bill. Why you guys are watching me since I'm so fucking toxic? Like, make this make sense. I don't want nothing from una man. Someone need to lift up and go on but in the business. Go on but in the business. This way, when you go on but in the business, new people can come. You guys are so unfair. You guys have to stop it. The same way our comment section. Okay, so if me crosses, all right, a time for block. Moderator, it's time for blocking. Time for blocking. Me now look my friend from now on a dirty blood clot. I'm not gonna suck on the mother. You understand? And me never get the chance for fuck for 2 sheet of zinc. Me never get the chance for fuck for burger. Me never have that chance. Me never have that life there. You understand? Me never have it. So when I come talk about say man use the wall away, not me. Me never get no chance for the boy use me. That's why me rather wash off a mad blood clot man and fuck him. Because when me wash off a mad man and fuck him, me not go hear say the boy they fuck me or me fuck the boy there. And even if the boy they come talk say fuck me, nobody not go believe. Me not have no secret, brother. Me not like on style. Me not like on style. Me say me go beat blood clot Abel. And that me say. Because Abel feel like say man the man Abel go on like him all that. And him not all blood clot that. Abel not no secret for me. Wanna stop make them TikTok upon this TikTok. Make una feel like una less of a person. Because you guys are not. Because without you guys, we are nothing. You, DJ Queen, who a fuck Abel. How you feel now? How you feeling of yourself if you know say you fuck a guy like that? You cat woman, aka auntie. How you feeling of yourself if you know say you fuck a guy like that? We use the little girl, all because of 2 sheet of zinc. 2 sheet of zinc caused this. You know, Miss Beauty Bar, how you feel in yourself. To know say you have fucked this man. We're dealing with woman like that. Vicky, you under blood clot comment section and kill off your teeth with pea soup. Oh, no, do it.
You can never be my baby father. Because one you too high, two you too lie. You think say everybody frightened for you? Look how study mouth, boy. Me say me never da come out and talk, but when he say me hurt me heart shatter in a pieces, able. God believe me, dog.
This, what him do to her is super wrong. For every level. But yes, one time when I go come here so, and I come tell me, oh Bling, don't beat her, don't this, she's a child. Kids do not fuck. Kids don't suck. Kids don't skin out their big dirty corruption hole and fuck man. You understand? They don't do that. So when I get a come call me blood clot mom and I come talk about me not go find an old foot life. Your big pussy fuck out, done out, rev out more with Batman fuck and breed and get you. Start with her first. I did not, because I never disrespected her. I don't stay so. Uno alayad. I never disrespected her. I never disrespected.
Her Majesty, Lord, Highness, Judge, Queen.
I think you're quite
My Lord, I am saying you have to relook the application, my Lord, from the Queen Elizabeth to look to see that in this case, my darling, it is a lot of atrocious energy. So I would like you to relax and verify the case and analyze the case because I see that you are very upset and you are bashing my madam, my Lord. I will ask you to please to look within the situation with Unique and Abel Bass. I understand she says something that you don't like, my lord, but I think you should just know that as a judge, people will criticize. But what I'd advise you to do is try the case to see the time without you speak wrath and judgment as the queen, my lord.
You know, that's what I was doing. That's what I was doing, right? And I come out here to do the case this morning. Who's echoing? One of us is echoing. I came out here to do the case this morning, RT. Right? But RT, from last night, I take up the case and I drop piece, then I go and come here to go work, right? One time I did, I get the message them where them I say, oh, share. Start live. First of all, this class mom. You've seen me in real life. I know when you're I don't like
I'm here, echo. Let me come back.
She asks for. Fine. Remember, all that we need help sometimes.
Check.
Hello?
Yeah, may I hear your talk?
All right, we're good now. RT, you've been with me for years, and you know how I get. I don't care what whatever. Me not like what she say. Me never trouble her. RT, me never trouble her. So she style me as mom, one. I'm gonna have the recording. She come back again and she say, she now go over no old foot live. Me have to come over there. You know I don't need new Unique. I never send call her, and I never ever expect her to come by me for what? I did not. So now the cousin or brother, whatever the fuck there is, come up on the live and have her on the phone. And he must say, Yeah, here are, me no work them really, my love. Me no know piece of girl, or me no know, who the fuck is them? Like, seriously, me no feel like me supposed to stoop to nobody level. And then I like me depend on level or more than nobody and better than nobody. I'm not able, boss. But you're not gonna style me and you expect someone to kiss your ass. Me have a problem with that, my love.
All right, I understand where you come from when you said the way she said it wasn't right because you have a feelings to so do she. Okay, we understand. But in this situation, you shoot, all right? All I am saying, you shoot. Okay, shoot. Try the case now. Because...
For me to try the case, I'm gonna need her lawyer and Able lawyer. That's what I come out for this morning.
Representing her.
You represent her?
Yes, as a judge and as an attorney. A two title may have right now, you know, one now here. Judge and attorney.
Well, may I feel, who is going to represent Able?
Nobody, no money. Me have to get a legal aid. Nobody in here wants
You might get a surprise. You might get a surprise. What happened to Catwoman where I'm asleep with now? And DJ Queen?
Anybody to represent Able Boss, because I'm representing Unique.
Unique have top lawyer. What is? Unique in a big league. Unique in a big league. It look like them afraid, you know. We need a lawyer for Able Boss. How it go? Send a request. No, she in a big league, my love. Can I come like you know something? Send a request, guys. Who will represent Unique?
Representative.
All right. Auntie, you come back, man. Me can't believe that the top judge run. No, sir, this can't real. So, all right, who will represent Unique? We need a next lawyer. This can't real around.
Let me say this. Listen to me. We can't manage. All right, listen now. All right, me could go through.
Yes. We're going to go through. Tabby, come back. Guys, send your request. The person representing Able Boss. Come on.
Name is attorney Pududu.
And you're representing
Unique.
Okay, so
Please to pronounce my name good. Pududu.
Okay. So I have a question. Now this is Queen of TikTok, Miss Bling, and I really want everyone to get along. No, Mr. What's his name?
Pududu.
And Tabby, you're who?
Mr. Buchanan.
I'm Isaac, the bad one.
Buchanan.
No,
All
the
right,
bad
so
one.
Mr.
The bad
Buchanan. It is alleged that Mr. Pududu client reached out to your client for 2 sheets of zinc /help, and your client took advantage of her. Are you aware of that?
I am aware of the situation that is happening, but I'm not aware of the advantages being taken of.
All right. Well, some of the advantages were he had sex with her on multiple occasions without, giving her any substance or anything. At one part, he gave her $5,000, and another time, he would do stuff to her like have her waiting. He don't give her money to do hair or anything. He would have her at the house, bathing in bath pan, and the worst things, just the worst things. He would be talking on the phone to Kizzy and other females. He don't give this girl nothing at all. And then now he made a skit. I'm not sure if you're aware. He made a skit mocking her. And I feel like this is very wrong on every levels. You understand? So now I'm going to show you this skit. The girl came out and started talking. Gonna play 2 minutes of that video so you can have an idea of what I'm speaking about.
You can never be my baby father. Because one, you're too high, two, you're too lie. You think so everybody frightened for you? Look what saw them out, boy. Me say me never da come out and talk, but when he said me hurt, me heart shatter in a pieces, yeah.
All right. He stated that she is looking clout after your client had her in his house for days, using her. You know what I mean when I say using her. Without even she getting the 2 sheet of zinc. Because up until now, I doubt she got the 2 sheet of zinc. Then when she came out and started to talk, to hear him out, this is what your client went and did.
Okay.
Why you so obsessed? You know you fuck me. You know you're no man. No man. You know you fuck me is not a good person. You make me come from country, come in your yard, me go and me come back, me go and me come back, and me go and me come back. You living out all out. Only thing look good is a room. You have a pretty bathroom. Me be in the bad for now, hold it out. You give me half a break when me dead for hungry. So you give me a hotel when me dead and for hungry. No, come here, me tell you something, you have to make up a different story because if you ever say all them bad things about me, the people are going to say you're not an ambition too because them are going to say, you may not stay good and all them something, but you go and come back every minute and you're all up in a such mouth and all them something there. So it'll look bad on your side. I'm going to say, yeah, made and you look.
Mr. Buchanan, does this that I just showed you, does it have any bearings on you about your client and how terrible your client has been to Miss Unique?
Based on the 2 videos that I have seen and legally looking into the 2 perspectives, the accuser, they have their opinion to what is happening. My defendant with that video, they're literally just defending the accusations against them, that the claims against them. So it's at the end of the day.
Objection.
Yes.
It cannot be you are declaring or protecting. You are destroying and tarnishing the girl by stalking her with the video.
Objection again, Your Honor. Objective.
Yes.
Okay? Object. Because I am defending my client and this person is talking while I am talking. That is not cool, first thing. And remember that the defendant, RT Boss, the person that RT Boss is defending right now, what's her name? Unique. Remember, she is the first one that came out with a video talking about this and that. So at the end of the day, we don't really actually know if the claims are true against my client.
Your client admitted. He stated in the video.
Yes. Mr. Buchanan, he admitted it.
My client admitted it in the video.
No. He admitted it on his live that he slept, he went to bed with her, yada, yada, yada. I'm not, you didn't see that recording?
Objection. My client admitted that on live.
Yes.
Oh, I can't defend him then,
Listen, may I say something?
I defend him if he said that on live.
Mr. Tavidan, aren't you aware that your client that you're defending is also tarnishing the Jamaican man society by, in the Jamaican law, 88559, a man fuck a girl and give them a burger with no teeth. Your client is bringing a burger.
Objection. Half a burger.
Exactly. So what I am saying, that is an obstruction to the man race in Jamaica society. We don't do that when we are fuck girl. We fuck them and give them burger or KFC. We not bite nothing give them. So that
Objection. You cannot just be saying burger like that. You have to be declaring the type of burger that is being presented. My client is being
burger
presented.
eat, but we're talking about the one at Burger King. But both burger, but we can defend the one where we're talking about where she broadcast.
Mr. Buchanan, your client ate a burger and had half left, and he gave it to her. Mr. Buchanan, your client right now is sleeping with Catwoman, and he, in spite the fact that he he is dating DJ Queen. Remember, he also, and Catwoman, your client is a lot of things. Your client is sleeping with Catwoman, aka Auntie, and she used to shoot for Swiss Lee. But his actual woman is Queen, the DJ. But based on the birthday post, Catwoman thinks she is the one, like she is his right out girlfriend. Plus, remember, he was also sleeping. It's alleged he was also sleeping with Beauty Bar and World Dog Gifter Rock. Your
Objection,
client
objection,
went into-
objection, objection. My client, is affiliation with all of these. Remember, my client is not married, so he has the right to do whatever he wants to do.
I'm just showing you the reputation of your client. Why is it your client didn't use these individuals? Why? Because they gift him. Mr. Pududu client have nothing to gift him. So this is why he takes such terrible.
My face.
Lord?
Object. All right then.
My lord, this is what you need to know. The Abel Boss is not a real man. He was using the girl, trick the girl, tell the girl that he's going to help her and give her things, and it never worked out. Mind you now, nothing wrong when you come to the when she reach. It's a very much nice little decent river country girl, my client is. And when she take that nice country bus and come to town, my lord, it did not even give a bus fare, my lord. And when she reached there, the mother was in the kitchen. And my lord, this is what I am really, really upset about.
Objection.
Hold on, override.
Objection.
It's my time
Your
on the
Honor.
floor. I have to
Your
talk.
Honor, objection.
My client has to shit.
Wait,
Objection,
overrule,
Your Honor.
overrule.
Your objection.
Overrule,
Objection.
Mr. Buchanan.
How can my
Objection.
client shit and
Mr.
flush toilet
Objection.
at the
Mr.
day of
Buchanan, I'm
sexual
going to let you
intercourse?
speak. Give me 1
Objection.
second.
Me object.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you get to object all the time. Neither you nor Mr. Pududu.
This is
Style
Mr.
it in
Pududu's
2024.
client.
That is a
Remember that
torture.
Mr. Pududu's client
Yes.
agreed to the zinc fences and so forth before they cross path, before she crossed
Objection,
path.
lies.
What do you mean? Please to explain this for us.
I'm
What
just
do you
saying,
mean?
wasn't the zinc fence, wasn't the zinc and the so forth declared before Mr. Pududu's client visited my client?
No,
Allegedly.
objection. Pududu,
Allegedly.
no. He was on TikTok getting lions and lions for a week, getting millions of dollars, and nobody couldn't get #1 spot. So therefore, shouldn't be no zinc problem. So that is an ambitious problem with your client. That is
Yes.
why he treat my wife, the lady like that, my client like that.
Yes, because he was holding on to the #1 spot for weeks, if you can remember.
Oh man, hold on there. Me kind of quit my job, cause what kind of client this me have now, RT?
That's what I'm trying to say to you.
No man.
Your client, and listen,
Yo, hear me I
listen.
say. Hear me I say no.
And remember, your client, not for anything. Your client was not giving the first baby mom anything for the child at some point. Your client mother house need fixing. I don't know if it will fix now, being that the people are talking about it, because that's what we do. We talk about stuff and people fix it up.
Hold
But
on there. So much fucker my client go on with for real,
yes,
brother.
and then your client sit down and feel like we are watching his dick, which we're not. So your client feel like he is the man when he is not. Remember, right now, your client is sleeping with a few persons who don't know
No
about
man, not
each
say my
other.
client, man. Remember, say me just quit my job, Say you have to say them client.
Oh, so if you quit your job, we're gonna need another representative for
You
him.
have to say them client, cause no, what the fuck you say?
Mr. Buchanan, you wanna tell me that you took up a case and you did not sit with your client to really figure out who you were working with or who you was working for?
Listen, I am one of those lawyers that the government just put on a case, I'm one of those,
But you're a
Liar.
legal aid.
I told you, Miss
I'm a
Bling.
legal aid.
I told you that, Miss Bling, that is a legal aid lie. I'm going to come in kind of
Legal aid. Yeah, because my sister aid is needed, so I just get aid legally.
Exactly.
You understand? So, hear me I say now. And I'm yo, what the fuck you say? No, I can't believe say all of this go on with the G. What the fuck you say? Hear me I say, somebody come represent, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna have an ex representative, but we're going to add a juror. Don't leave because maybe one person would like to ask you a question. Before you go, let's see if any of the jurors would like to ask you a question, Mr. Buchanan.
Yeah, Candice, me traumatized for real, man, by them story, may I tell you.
So you're saying that you had no idea?
Me just come up, me just wake up and see 18 this morning and just, you know?
Okay. Does any of these jurors would like to ask him anything?
Good morning.
Wait, your phone was giving trouble. Nurse Brown, good morning.
Good morning. I'm actually the assistant lawyer for Able Boss today in the capacity of lawyer nurse. And all of what Doodle is saying about his client and your accusations about my client Able Boss is irrelevant. Whomever him used to fuck with, sleep with, is irrelevant to this case. All right. Sometimes Doodle client was not in an agreement with my client regarding any agreement upon him assisting the lady. Sometimes Miss Shanice. Right? So anything has to do with his prior sexual relationship or association has nothing to do with this case. So I want you to strike all of those from the evidence.
But
anything has to do with it.
Nurse Brown, I'm very sorry you cannot say that because this gentleman has a history and that came up in the chambers. So we look at that as well. Because did you know that your client wanted to do a threesome with Mr. Pududu's client and her friend?
And that is irrelevant to the matter at hand. I understand. And yes, his history matters, but it is irrelevant to this case.
How is it irrelevant when we're trying to figure out why did your client do all these things to Miss Unique without giving her the 2 sheet of zinc?
Was there a verbal or written agreement between them regarding for the zinc?
It was a verbal. It wasn't anything written. So this is why, and this is why she went there, because she needed the help. And up until now, she did not get the help. Mr. Pududu's client is with child as we speak. And we do not know if your client is the father. I doubt the Miss Unique knows who's the father, but we're not going to go there.
But Your Honor, my client denied these accusations. My client denied these accusations that there was a verbal agreement between them. Based on the video that you saw my client put forward, you hear what he said? He said, if you come forward making these accusations, how does it look on you in public? We're going to say you're a yammer.
Your client is stupid. And this is why your client knew what would happen. And that's exactly what happens. Some of us will call her a stupid and an idiot and a yammed. But let us look at what is at hand right now. Your client is a user. He's wrong for what he did to her. What do you have to say about that? It is so unfair. This little girl.
Your Honor, I object. Your Honor, I object. My client saying that they have both of them have a consent. When they have a consenting sexual relationship, there was no agreement between of them to exchange of goods. This is not a barter system. Which woman is going to have sex for zinc fence? And over and over and over, she came back and back and back.
My lord, in this sexual case,
my lord. Oh, everybody else say something just
My lord, in this sexual case, this is a woman versus a man. A lawyer has to have been there energy to clarify this case. You can have a lawyer who going to override sexual behavior will never have a sexual behavior with a woman to judge and completify with this whole story. This
I object, Your Honor. I object, Your Honor. This is irrelevant.
I give you your time.
I object, Your Honor. This is irrelevant.
I give you your time.
Overruled.
I object.
I give you your time.
Let's hear from Mr. Pudding.
I give him time. Coming from a man who never have sex with a woman or been to the woman can come in this story and have perspective and judge. This is something where straight people have to talk. No disrespect to no sexual race, but you are being very envious and no reason for the girl. This is nothing for you to try to override. You are shoot down the sexuality when the sexuality is the main topic. No, forgive me to say you are not qualified.
Your Honor, are you gonna make Your Honor? Your Honor, hold on, Your Honor. I object, Your Honor. Personal attack. Personal attack. Personal attack, Your Honor. Personal attack. Mr. Doodle-Doo, personal attack. I object. I object.
Represent the thing. Get away, different lawyer.
Mr. Pudding, please, I'm asking you to stop attacking the judges. Please let us stay on track.
I'm not attacking him, but how can you represent a male and a female story and I lick the woman and I bash the woman and I represent
I am representing my client. I am representing my client. I am representing my client and my sexual orientation. I am representing my client. Dr. Doodle shit. Dr. Doodle shit, I am representing my client, right? Dr. Doodle shit, I am representing my client and my sexual orientation has nothing to do. My sexual orientation has nothing to do with represent Dr. Doodle shit. Dr. Doodle shit. Dr. Doodle shit. My sexual orientation has nothing to do with me representing my client. If you have some personal vendetta against me, then you talk to me besides outside of this court. Okay? So why are you attacking me, Dr. Doodle shit? Dr. Doodle shit. Why are you attacking me? Why are you attacking me, Dr. Doodle shit? Dr. Doodle motherfucking shit. Why are you attacking me?
My Lord.
Dr. Doodle shit. Why are you attacking me?
My Lord.
Why are you attacking me?
My Lord.
What I have to do with me?
My Lord. Yes, order. Everybody, calm down, guys. Okay, this just went the wrong way.
Your Honor, Dr. Doodle shit have a vendetta against me. Bad mind, jealous of me. I don't know so why. What? My sexual orientation has nothing to do with this case. My sexual orientation has nothing to do with this case. How dare he attack a lawyer? How dare he
order, my Lord? Okay, let's get to the bottom of this. You're saying RT has passed the case now. That case you passed. A new case this pan next is. So RT, listen. Nurse Brown is saying you have a vendetta against him. You want to explain?
Listen to me. Listen to me. I am representing Uni. Every time you mention something about sexual argument, him say you're not supposed to bring any sexual energy in the media upon that. He might try to shut down. The girl I say, the man I deny say him fuck her and she and the man did there and so forth. That's the whole story about fucking, cause she go fuck him. No, a fucking cast the whole idea you have to listen to the fucking. No, how dare you come now and come shut down the fucking. So me get a bitterness now for beat him because a fucking had the argument. Body and pussy. So why you have a problem with it? Talk where you talk, but you are denying the fucking. I want to hear about the fucking. So don't shut down the fucking.
Your Honor, Dr. Doodle shit did not went to law school. Okay? If you were listening to me carefully, Your Honor, and I'm not speaking to that lawyer because he doesn't have any credibility. All right? If you were listening to me, what I said was Abel Boss prior sexual relationship with any woman, it could be any woman, has nothing to do with the relevance to this case. I understand that you're trying to tarnish my my client's reputation, and then
But
Listen to me.
Nurse Brown, we're not trying to tarnish. It is there.
But
you
I'm-
have not seen the recordings.
I am trying to defend I understand, Your Honor. I'm trying to defend my client. If I'm going to represent my client and I can't defend my client, then I don't understand.
You defend your body because you denounce the pussy argument. We are talking about the fucking and why fuck her. You don't want to talk about the fucking.
We have to adjourn this case.
But Your Honor, let me tell you why. Lawyer Doodle shit have a vendetta against me. Okay? You want to hear why Dr. Doodle shit have a vendetta against me?
Me no know what to tell me.
Yeah, why?
Okay.
Yeah, why?
Dr. Doodle shit do not like Nurse Brown because Nurse Brown, the woman them love Nurse Brown and even own fan them love me. Is a bad mind old piece of shit. You understand? Dr. Doodle shit block Nurse Brown for what? I always over this. Exactly. But here the joke. I am here representing my client. Listen. I understand. Listen, I don't care if anybody wants to believe something. Think something about Batman or
me jealous say you
anything. Doctor do the shit. Doctor do the shit. If I'm gay, you're not my type. Doctor do the shit. If I'm gay, you're not my motherfucking type. Okay? You are not my motherfucking type. So if I am not,
my lord.
No, RT can manage himself. Trust me.
Listen.
They have history, so let them squash it.
Your Honor, I don't do this man anything, right? All I'm saying is that whether or not, because basically my client is a gallus, okay? So you have a woman, there's a woman, there's a woman, there's a, I'm saying that my client, he denied that there is a verbal agreement in exchange for sex or any sexual relationship with this female for any material collaterals, zinc, money, whatever. He denied these allegations. So I don't understand how my person always attacking me. I don't get it.
The man admitted say I truly attack. All right.
Yes, Able Boss said. That's what I'm saying. Did you see the recordings, Nurse Brown?
I saw the recording. I saw the recording, and my client emphatically denied.
I block this nigga. I don't deal with this shit tank.
Why you don't deal with me? Wait him there. Why don't deal with me? Why don't deal with me?
This shit tank want to be
I'm gonna leave two of them to
I am representing a case, and I block the shit tank, and the shit tank come by Able Boss. Case just because I want to be seen. I will not tell myself me too enough. Pussy me this anybody, especially when you're not at my class. Me no go blood clot liar school batty boy, nurse batty man. But me I live better there in a foreign and stand under this blood clot. Know yourself, Mr. Old, Mr. Fuck and batty boy.
Mr. Dr. Do the shit. Mr. Do the shit. Mr. Do the shit. Let me tell you something. I'm younger than you by many years, okay? I have my house, I have my car, and I'm doing my doctorate degree. You're not in my class. You're not in my class. You can never in my class. You are beneath me. You are beneath me. You are beneath me. You are beneath me.
All right.
You are beneath me, RT Boss. You are beneath me. You are beneath me. You understand? You are beneath me. And when you want to call me Batty Man, or when you want to call me this, you are still beneath me, RT Boss. You could have money. You are still beneath
Two of them in an argument. So later, Tavi, what you say? Are you no mind?
Yes, understand.